Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a very small portion of Valmiki Ramayana, Uttara Kanda. And let me begin. Why Ravana kidnapped Sita Maya, and whether he did it knowingly or unknowingly? That one is very interesting because trust me, he did it knowingly, just to start to create conflict uh, with Lord Ramachandra. But why did he do that? That is what I am going to tell you. Once Ravana went to Brahmalok. There he paid his homage, his respect to his offspring, means Brahma's son, Sanat Kumar. He joined his hands and said, O Rishi, O Sanat Kumar, tell me, is there anyone now among the uh, gods who is the most powerful and brave, and with whose aids all the celestials can overcome their foes, and to whom all the time the rishis, the siddhas, the yogis, and the devas, everyone meditate? Who is that person? Then Sanat Kumar, as you know, he was Brahmagyani and son of Brahma. He could understand anybody's heart. And he knew the intention of Ravana and said, you are a king of Rakshasa, O Ravana. There is one supreme person, means the supreme lord, to whom all the devas, the Dakshas, the Gandharvas, and all the celestials, and siddhas, yogis, everybody, they worship to him only, and nobody has seen him. He is everywhere, and from his navel only Lord Brahma is created. He himself is Rudra, Indra, Kuvera, Varuna, and all the Gandharvas. So he is the most powerful one. Whatever he wants, he can do it. Then Ravana immediately asked, Kyo says, tell me, being slain by uh, the gods, where do the Danavas, as Rakshasas, they go? And which state they obtain? And being slain by that supreme soul, where which state they obtain? Then Sanat Kumar smiled, and once again he said, You Rakshasa king, when a Danava Rakshasa or whoever it is, if they are slain by the gods, they will go to Swarga. And after a while, once again they will be born on earth, and they will enjoy, they will suffer, and they will go on doing this as per as per their merits in their previous birth. Then Ravana said that what happens if that supreme, anybody, any Daitya, Rakshasa, or anyone who is slain by Lord Hari? Then Sanat Kumar said, Ki, O Ravana, if anyone is slain by Lord Hari, Narayana, or the Supreme Soul, then he will go to Vaikuntha, and he will not be born again on earth. This is the condition. And that too, his wrath, means Lord Narayana's wrath, is also a boon. Like this, Sanat Kumar said. Then Ravana stopped for a moment, and he became very happy, and he started thinking, ki, if I can create the conflict with this Supreme Soul, then I will go to Vaikuntha. I will not be born on earth again. Like this, he went on thinking. But as you know, I told you just now that Sanat Kumar could come to know his heart. So he said, Ki, O Ravana, don't worry. I do understand your mind. And whatever you are thinking now, you will get it. Very soon, just wait. Then Ravana asked, O Rishi, tell me, with whom I will meet, and who is that person? How can I come to know? Then Sanat Kumar said, Ki O Ravana, very soon Narayana means Lord Hari will be born on Ikshvaku Vamsh race, and that too he will be the son of King Dasaratha. And Sita Mahalakshmi will be born on earth as Sita, daughter of Janaka. So you can meet them, and if you can do something, then you will be slain by Lord Ramachandra. He is the Purushottama. He is Lord Narayana. Then Ravana immediately asked, Kyo says, can you tell me what are the striking characteristics of Lord Vishnu, that Supreme Soul? Then Sanat Kumar said, Kyo Ravana, you know, Lord Narayana is all pervading, and he is Lord Vishnu, he is Lord Shiva, he is Rudra, he is Indra, he is everything. He is present in animate and inanimate. He is under the water, above the water, on air and earth, everywhere. So nobody has seen him. So he is the soul. So whatever you want, very soon you will get it. Then Ravana thought, why not I will kidnap the consort of Lord Ramachandra so that he will get angry and he will start the war means the battle with me. There will be a conflict. That is why, that is the main intention of Ravana, to start or to kidnap Sita Maya so that Lord Ramachandra will fight with him. That too, just to get that, he went on challenging all the warriors for a combat. And ultimately, as you know, he kidnapped Sita Maya and he got the conflict with Lord Ramachandra. So this much is the story. The main purpose of saying this, ki Ravana, not that he didn't know, knowingly he kidnaps Sita Maya so that he will be, he will get salvation and he will be slain by Lord Ramachandra. Means Lord Vishnu, the Supreme Soul. Thank you so much. Once again, I will meet you with some another story. Thank you.